Hey friends, if you wish to hide dim display from power options in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So dim display is a function in power options. Usually when you're on the high power setting, it doesn't appear, but even in general, if you wish to remove it permanently, then you can do that by applying certain attributes, and this can be done using a command line. So I have shared this command line in the description section of the video. Simply copy it. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. And this will do the job for you. This is all you need to do. You don't need to go to any setting or register editor and all. That's quite a long procedure, a tedious procedure. Just copy paste this command and hit enter, and it will do the job for you. If it doesn't, then you can also restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.